Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Daniel and I'm back with another new video. In today's video we are going to be looking at how to reset the root password for MySQL database. So you might have forgotten the root password, or you were never prompted to enter the root password during installation. So that calls for an action, and the action is to reset the root password to a password that you can remember. So let's dive in and see what you need to do. So the first thing is to stop my SQL service from running. So let's do that. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL, then press enter, and within some seconds the service has been stopped. You can basically check if that actually happened. So let's just do a quick check. Systemctl status MySQL. So on checking on the status, it's currently inactive or dead. So at this point we can now access my SQL service in safe mode, and the way to do that, we have sudo mysqld safe, then you have skip, we have grant tables, then skip networking. Alright, once you have that, just press on enter. So just give it about 2 minutes for that process to complete. This process may take a bit of time, and if it goes for more than 2 minutes, you can just open another terminal and proceed. So in my case, I'm going to split my terminal. Actually, it has just completed. So let me just close that. So once you start MySQL on safe mode, so the next thing will be to access the root account without entering a password. So the way to do it is MySQL u then root. Once you have that, just press on enter, and here we go. We have been able to access MySQL on safe mode. So the next thing is to just confirm that the current database under use is MySQL. Once you have that, just press on enter. Right, so we have confirmed the change. The next stage will be to flash privileges. Once you have that, ensure to have a semicolon at the end, then press on enter. Alright, so far so good. So the next thing will now be to change the root password. And when changing, you don't necessarily need to remember the old password. So this is command to do the change. So you have alter user, the user on question is root at, then we have localhost, then you have identified by, then input the new password here. So let's have new pass, then end in the semicolon. Alright, the change has been successful. So the next thing will be to exit from this section. Exit. Right, so it's now time to test our new password, but before then we need first of all to stop the current MySQL instance. Remember, MySQL is running on safe mode, so we need first of all to stop that and start it on the normal mode. So the way to stop the current instance, we have sudo pkill mysqld, then press on enter. Alright, so the process has been killed. So it's now time to start MySQL service normally. So the way to do that is sudo system ctl start MySQL, then press on enter. There we go, the service has been started. So we can have a quick check to confirm that the service is actually running. So system ctl status MySQL, and there we go, we confirm that the service is actually running. So let's move out of the loop by pressing on Control C. So the next thing is to test now our new password. So the way to do the test, we have MySQL u, then we have root, then you have p, then just press on enter. Now you are prompted with to enter the new password. So if I try inputting a random password, access is denied for that user. Let us repeat and use the password that we set up here. So we have that. Press on enter. So remember, we used new pass as our new password. So let's have new pass. Then press on enter, and there we go. We have been able to access MySQL interface. So remember, we were just covering how to reset the root password, seeing that the initial one, you are either not prompted to change or rather to set a new password, or you forgot the root password. With just some few easy steps, we were able to regain access to the database. So that marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying up to this end. Share it with others and also drop a comment. Thank you and goodbye.